Consistency, man. That's the name of the game. If you keep going every single day and don't stop, your competition will fall off, bro. These niggas ain't cooked like you, bro. They ain't ready for prime time. They ain't trying to really get right. They take days off, this day off, that day off. They lazy. I'm tired of it. No.
Fetty, did you see how cold it is outside? Nabendiyama ngezingcondo. Fethu, kubanda kanjani that time. But I don't know, naqhele into ezibhaya rhote. But yeah.
Ikwazi ezo mojo neemojo zazo, because if azikho mojo then akukho mojo, but kusemojo hayi intro le yakho ndedlala Fetty phambelela nto andiyala into ebengoyithe. But anyway, mojo, I hope you guys are doing good. I am doing amazing. Today is a Monday. I'm writing my second exam today. Right now at 11:30. I haven't showered. I just come like woo. How English ethelile mfethu qho xa sendifluencer ndifluent efundini ndisiya ivele imoshakale jo. Vele imoshakale ntwana yam ndingayazi ke ngokubana nditheni. Hey sis. But anyway, I'm saying I just came back from home. Yeah, that's proper English name. I just came back. Yeah, I just came back from home, bro. Like, I just came back from my aunt's place. You know, dog, I'm tripping. I just came back from my aunt's place and I slept there. I didn't study yesterday because I'm confident that I'm ready and what. So yeah, I'm writing right now at 11:30. I'm gonna shower and I just ate my breakfast and then I'm gonna shower. And then I'm gonna go and write and then come back and probably sleep because it's raining. So I'm probably gonna sleep or watch YouTube and stuff. And then later on, if I'm feeling guilty, I'm gonna go study. But if I'm not feeling guilty, I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna sleep, my friend, because if I don't sleep, my friend, I'm gonna go crazy. But yeah, bro, I think I'm gonna sleep and then try studying the next day, which is tomorrow. Yeah, well, because I'm writing programming on Saturday and you guys know how programming is, bro. You guys know how programming is, but I'm hoping for the best. I'm really hoping for the best. Nani yam ndidinga nje u50 ntwana yam ndiphume izithuba 50 nje qha then ndibe grand because the programming is andiphambanisa apha entloko. But yeah, bro, that's what's happening this week. But today, this is just a day in your life. I'm gonna try. English I'm gonna try and make this vlog a day in your life. Yabo. And a bit longer. And the husband's a longer. But is our longer. Jenge long life. Dinilindile ni process lapha. Dinilindile ni process lapha. Oh. Hi. But anyway, enjoy today's vlog, bro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, especially on the comments. Mfethu nobu comment entoni, mfethu nobu the hi Buddha, uchonga mehlo up. Okay, no, I delete them alone. But just anything. And then yeah, share the link and everybody and what. And let's have fun, man. Let's grow. Ukubone. Masihlume kuhluma ne masikhule but not ukukhula jo yo yeah but Fethu I'm yapping but ngoyiga lo but mocho let me tell you, anyway, pretend like I'm not ibonanga ke lawe because bawo pretending ngathi uyibonile. Ngoyika lo. Ndifuna uginye le nto bandithi ngoyika uyiginyisisa uyive. Anyway, let me take you through my OOTD. It's either I wear this or this. Or something else. There's asking like in the attention this and then Utachini, Emma's Utachini and Georgina. Tamshetana. Whoa. Utamtayana. Oh, that Tamtayana, Dwana. Anyway, I don't know how to make a tie. I have to watch a YouTube video again and again and again and again for me to think, because Dialibala I'm fed. Dialibala just been doing an amataga logo bombambu creepy busy. No bombambu busy and will be fed. Abasuka. Tamtayana. And then I'm gonna wear the same socks and the same sneakers because, yeah, Joe. And I'm sure it take I'm born and deceased and Jaguyo. If you look on the wall, another day, another dollar. Oh, on the young fan. Oh, I, you'll be ticky. But came up, go to one. I was going to next because the local you're not taking careful in Elena and it burns out with your mentality man. Yeah, I'm glad you did crash out and I'm glad you. Because I know. Relax. Okay, I'm going to tell you this one booby. The next contender from Mount Fletcher, weighing 250 pounds. His name is Buddha Oz. Ayala Dre. Who are you, boy? We're accept.
Hey, my back, yeah. I respect this place. We are done and just yet 2 more to go. But yes, what do you have to say about this paper, my brother?
Nothing to comment on the paper. The paper was not the paper.
The off 3.
Mojo, I'm back. I couldn't vlog before I left because I was already late and my cab was already here. It was raining, so that's why I called the cab. Yeah, well, and when I know they are talking fair 20 days, so once I want a trip, pays when you trip. So that's why I called the cab. I just don't want to get any, I don't know, get rained by as long as it's right. As long as I'm not here, hey, as long as I'm this palace a popular paper. This palace that. And then I'm going to wear a distinction pals that time I'm again, yeah. But anyway, I rode well. I rode well, Shem, and yeah. Otherwise, right now I wanted to buy fat cakes, but the land I think some because I think everybody's just in the mood for amakunya. I'm in the mood for amakunya too, bro, and so I just decided, like say now, I'll just come and eat isonga and ram, and then anyway. Yeah, well, I decided I'll eat isonga and rama, and then yeah, no man's selling don't get out London is still alive, but that's what I'm gonna eat, and then maybe later on I can actually go buy amakunya if I'm yeah, well, yeah. Otherwise, I thought I was gonna go to the library and go study. I won't be able to go. John Wayne. And the class in the shows in I don't think it's a for no poem is Kubin. I think I should buy bread. Yeah, I think I should buy bread. When not thinking about Queen, I should buy bread. Because I'm not mali. But I don't know because the pictures didn't so but I'll see you. Ocho.
abantwana ngondondondondolo. Shit. Thinking this. Now, so cross night and so lala, silala ngaba mashit. Lusuku. Okay. I guess lala ke matone vile nani.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like months. Life move fast, we know what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
Baga nini? No. Anifuna malakaliza, mina nifuna zile mali ngigoduke. Anifuna zilepho.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown,
Bella.
but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shut over my New York.
Phela cho. Madoda yalala yozela. Mahle confessa ithi bendizozela.
I was sleeping.
Somewhere into morning, you know. Somewhere into morning. Maybe ngixolele nathi wezam zintoni le nto sigqibo yenza cross night. Iwezam cross night athi ngiqala ngihlawe. Xa kuhlatshe ubona bese funento echeba boxa ndinje hlifi man. Sis. But anyway, Mojo.
It's Mojo. I'm back. I'm freezing. I'm tired. I'm about to sleep. Right now I'm about to drink hot water and then get in bed and then try and sleep because I have to wake up early and go to campus again because I have to study. So yeah, Yeah. Otherwise, I am very cold, bro. I am, oh my god. Kebanda, and yeah, Delalam. So, good morning, but good night at the same time. And see you on another vlog. I love you so much. And please subscribe. Please like, please share. Please
Without commitment, you'll never start. But more importantly, without consistency, you'll never finish. Ease is a greater threat
thank you
to
so much
progress.
for watching. I'll see you on another one.